Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Turkish Airlines check-in and AMP. Boarding process ready to soar with Turkish Airlines like a VIP? This ultimate 2025 guide breaks down the full check-in and boarding process into 10 EASY steps. From skipping lines with online check-in to snagging priority boarding, avoid rookie mistakes and fly smoother than ever. Perfect for first-timers or seasoned travelers departing from Istanbul, IST, or anywhere else. 1. Master your airport arrival time. Arrive early to beat the rush, 3 hours before international flights and 2 hours for domestic. Istanbul Airport, IST, is enormous. Gates can be a 20-30 minute walk or tram ride away. Factor in traffic, parking, or transfers. Pro tip: use the Turkish Airlines app for real-time flight updates and airport maps to start stress-free. 2. Unlock online check-in early. Online check-in opens 24 hours before departure and closes 90 minutes prior. Head to turkishairlines.com or the mobile app, input your PNR, booking reference, and last name. It's free, fast, and available for most flights. Bonus: check in right at the 24-hour mark for prime seat picks and to avoid airport queues. 3. Pick the perfect seat during check-in. Browse the seat map and select your spot, window for views, aisle for easy access, or extra. Legroom for comfort. Small fee may apply. Families travel together automatically, but confirm. Hot hack: emergency exit rows offer more space but require ability to assist in emergencies. Upgrade to economy comfort if available for wider seats. 4. Secure your boarding pass instantly post check-in. Download a mobile boarding pass to your wallet app, Apple Wallet, Google Pay, or email it for printing. Mobile passes scan effortlessly at security and gates, no paper needed. If printing, do it at home or airport kiosks. Tip: screenshot it as backup in case of phone issues. 5. Breeze through baggage drop. Checked in online with bags? Skip full counters and use dedicated baggage drop lanes, often 5-10 minutes max. Self-tag your luggage using kiosks if needed. Weigh it, 23 kg standard for economy, and drop. Oversize or special items? Head to oversized counters. Remember, liquids in checked bags only. 6. Fallback to airport check-in options. No online access? Use self-service kiosks for instant check-in, seat selection, and pass printing. Or visit counters, open 3-4 hours pre-flight but closing 60 minutes before international departures, 45 minutes domestic. Kiosks are touchscreen easy, counters for complex needs like groups or pets. 7. Prep documents like a pro. Have your passport, valid 6+ months, visa, e-visa, and ticket ready. Some destinations, e.g., USA, UK, require in-person verification even after online check-in. COVID-era rules may linger. Check for health forms. Families, kids need birth certificates or consent letters for solo travel. 8. Conquer security and AMP, immigration. After check-in, hit security, remove liquids, electronics. Business class, miles and AMP, Smiles Elite, Elite Plus, or Star Alliance Gold. Use Fast Track for VIP speed. International, clear passport control next. Relax in Turkish Airlines stunning lounges, free for premium, with free Wi-Fi, showers, and Turkish delights. 9. Get to the gate ahead of schedule. Monitor boards or app for gate info, announced approximately 2 hours pre-flight. Arrive 45-60 minutes early. IST gates change often. Shop duty-free, grab simit, Turkish bagel, or charge devices. Missed announcements? Staff are helpful, but don't risk it. 10. Nail the boarding zones and AMP. Priority boarding kicks off 45 minutes before takeoff. Gate closes 20 minutes prior. Be punctual. Passes show zones: Zone 1, Business, Elites, Star Alliance Gold, then Families, needing assistance, followed by Zones 2-4, Economy rows. Priority gets overhead bin space first. Scan pass, smile for crew, and settle in for do not disturb service. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.